Whether you're filing a motion to seal here in Arizona or you're filing a motion to restore your gun rights, it's going to be up to the judge's discretion almost 100%. Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork. I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Here at my firm, we specialize in helping people seal their old criminal cases and restoring their gun rights here in Arizona. And today I want to talk about basically a question I get, or basically a statement I always give to people when they call my office seeking to get their rights restored. And one of the first questions I always ask is, what kind of case was it? And the reason why I ask that as my first question is because I know that just because you can file a motion to seal or get your gun rights back under the law doesn't mean that the judge will grant it. So there's really like two hurdles basically when you're trying to get your rights restored here in Arizona. The first is if you qualify under the law. Basically, if you have a case that qualifies to be sealed or have your gun rights restored, and it's been enough time that's elapsed since the conviction or the date you really paid off your fines and restitution, all that, the law basically sets these guidelines in order for you to file the motion to seal, motion to restore your gun rights. But then after you get over that first hurdle, then it's going to be up to the judge when he's reading the motion whether they grant the motion or not. And like I said, they have 100% discretion on whether to grant or deny it. There was a case not too long ago, maybe about a year and a half ago, where it was litigated up into the Court of Appeals, and basically they just kind of reiterated what we've always known. What I just said is that the judges have 100% discretion whether or not they want to grant or deny the motion. Another interesting thing about that case, so now that I'm thinking about it, is that the court made it clear that if the state contests your motion to seal or your motion to restore your gun rights, if they basically file a motion in opposition, they have to prove why you shouldn't get your case sealed or why you shouldn't get your gun rights back. The burden of proof is on the state when you're filing a motion to seal. So anyway, so that was a case about 18 months ago that explained, it reiterated, I guess, that the judge has complete discretion. So anyways, hope that helps. Like I said, if you've called my office, you've probably heard me, you've heard that before. Basically, the first question I ask is, what kind of case was it? Because I know once the judge gets the motion, they're going to look at the old case. They're going to look at some of the police reports. They're going to look at what's called the Form 4, which is kind of a summary of the police report. And then based on the facts of the case, it'll, like I said, that'll go a long way in determining whether or not the judge grants it or not. So hope that helps. If you're new to the channel, my name is Darren Woodfork. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach me at my email at DarrenW, that's DERRONW @MSN.com, or you can call me at 602-284-3035 and be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.